Good day guys, Bikra here and welcome to my channel. Today we're attacking the SMC repair on the other side, on the visible side, and now I'm sanding it down with 40 grit, and then I'm gonna photo shoot with 180 just to feather it out. And I'm degreasing, well, de-waxing, because every time you sand this yellow plastic it comes and it oozes out wax, so I gotta degrease it just before I put the glue in, just so that it turn white like that. And then just a matter of putting the glue and putting one layer. This corner here I put in two corners, 2 layers of fiber, because I went a bit deeper in it. I just want a bit more, a bit stronger, just the because it's the stress point of the whole fender. So I'm just gonna put some glue on there, and I'm just only gonna do 1 layer on the visible side, because otherwise it's gonna be a mess of bundle and everything. So you just lay down the glue like this, and then you go ahead on top with the mesh, and you make sure the mesh is covered. And then later on we're gonna give it a light sand, and we're gonna fill it up with just gonna do a little bit of filling with another type of glue, which is meant for bumpers and you know, just flexible guards, arches and all that stuff, which is, it's more flexible than this stuff. This stuff is just the structural part of it all. So now with all this done, it's now sound, and I can do normal body work on it really soon.